The next one up is another man for the northeast of the northeast, I suppose, and this one definitely is self-penned, is it no? And I never came out to expect you, so when I get a look like that, anyway, it's Kenny McRae's Nightmare.
I'll keep the rules of night.
Right, keep the rules. Well, I'm no, so.
If I'd Kenneth, I would have done that again.
No.
Anyway, a wee bit warning in here. My nightmare. For suppers, one night I had cheese. For my hunger I had these. When I settled down to sleep, feelings of remorse began to creep. At midnight, for the clock did knell, standing before me was that man fae hell. There he was aside my bed, a forky tail thumbs in his head. In his hand a great long stick, and it was at least 2 inches thick. He gawked at me. I got back at him. The look on his face was awfully grim. His een were all red as if on fire, just like the coals of a burning fire. With an evil grin, he said, I've come for you, as an account to me is overdue. By this time I'm all shaken. Me? Man, you must be mistaken. I've been good all my life. If you didn't believe me, ask the wife. Nah, it's you I want to write, so come on, you're coming with me tonight. You're no getting me, to him I said, and I jumped and blew out my bed. Round and round, our chairs and the lavvy down the stairs. He's after me with that muckle stick, I'm scared to death and running quick. The flames coming from out his moo. Come back here, I'm wanting you. He's no getting me, I says to myself, and put on me speed and run like hell. But he's gaining on me, inch by inch. He's got me for sure, that is a cinch. He raised his stick to hit my head. I gave a dodge and fall out the bed. It'd only been an awful nightmare. It'd given me a fright and a scare. So, didn't eat cheese for a night meal. For if you do, you'll meet the deal.